Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Well, like, comment, and if you like what you see, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna remind you guys, when you look at a YouTube, don't forget to look at the description. It's always below. So this is the video you were just watching, and basically on a laptop, which is I'm on, you can see it says shows more, and this, and on cell phone, it will be on the corner. It'll be a little light owl, same color as this, but it'll be an owl right here in the corner here. And when you click on it, it will drop down the description. And this is my link, guys. And to get you started, click on the link. I'm gonna show you real quick. Hopefully won't sign me in. And yep, this is my affiliate link, capture page. It's what we call capture page. And you, after watching this video, you don't need to watch this. You know it does work. And basically, you fill out your information right underneath that video: first name, last name, cell phone, and then you just click start. Let me see if I can do a demonstration here, show you how that works. Okay, let's see. All right, let me just Joanne. There it is. And then when you click this, and what would happen is, it says this email video. Oh, what did it say? Okay. Oh, there it is. You went ahead and emailed me the video, a link to a video, and it'll take you to this page. And again, it goes over everything that we spoke. The video just shared. You just heard in the video. And then you go to your email, and basically you find the link to get started. This is not my email, so I won't be able to show you, but basically this is it, guys. This is how you do it. Don't forget to do this. Again, let's go back. On a laptop, shows more. On a phone, Android and OS, you go right here in the corner. It'll be a little owl, same color as this, same faded color as this. Once you click on it, you'll drop this is the description area of the video. Title, guys, and description area. So what else I want to show? And that's basically it. Start making some money.